everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well and healthy. For this English discussion text, I will be creating a conversation about local transportation and giving direction, and then out of town transportation. Enjoy watching! Part 1. Local transportation and giving direction. Example of a conversation. On screen, a tourist approaches us local on a street in Jakarta. Tourist, excuse me, I'm a bit lost. Could you please tell me how to get the National Museum? Local, certainly, the National Museum isn't too far from here. What local transportation are you considering? Tourist, I'm open to anything. Maybe a bus or even a taxi if it's easier. Local, okay. The easier way is by Transjakarta bus. Find the nearest bus stop. It's usually marked with a blue sign. Take any bus heading toward Monas or Harmony. Tourist, Monas? That's the national monument, right? Local, yes, exactly. Get off the Monas bus stop. You will see the monument clearly from there. Tourist, and then from Monas? Local, once you are at the Monas bus stop, just cross the street heading west. You will see a large white building with a prominent elephant statue out front. Tourist, an elephant statue? Got it! Local, that's it. The National Museum is right next to the National Monument, Monas. It's really hard to miss. Alternatively, a taxi or ride-hailing apps like Gojek or Grab will take you directly there too. Tourist, thank you so much. That's very clear. Local, you're welcome. Enjoy your visit to the museum. Part 2. Out of town transportation. Example of a conversation. On screen, two friends, Rere and Yaya, are discussing their upcoming travel plans within from Jakarta to Surabaya. Rere, hey Yaya, I'm planning a trip from Jakarta to Surabaya next month. What are the best intercity transportation options available herein? Yaya, well, you have quite a few choices. For longer distance like Jakarta to Surabaya, the most popular are trains, intercity bus, and flights. Rere, right, trains. I hear they are pretty comfortable. What's a typical cost and schedule for a train to Surabaya? Yeah. For an executive class train, a ticket usually costs around 300,000 rupiah to 500,000 rupiah. Trains to Surabaya typically depart several times a day, from morning till evening. Rere, and the advantage of taking the train? Yeah. Trains offer more legroom, you can walk around, and they are generally punctual and safe. Plus, you get to see some great scenery. Rere, what about flying? I assume that the fast, but also the most expensive. Yeah, exactly. A flight to Surabaya can range from 600,000 rupiah to over 1 million rupiah. Depending on the airlines and how early you book, flights are most hourly from Jakarta. Rere, so the clear advantage from flying is speed, cutting travel time from hours to just over an hour. Yeah. Yes, absolutely the biggest benefit. And then there's also the option of renting a car if you prefer more flexibility. Rere, renting a car, how much does that typically cost per day? Yeah. For a standard car is usually around 300,000 rupiah to 500,000 rupiah per day. Not include fuel and tolls. The advantage is complete freedom and flexibility with your itinerary. Rere, that's good to know for future trips where I may want to explore more rural areas. But for Surabaya, I think I will wait between the train and flying. Yeah. Good plan. Each option has its own benefit depending on your priorities.